SR just died, I'm pretty sure.
Tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, get the ears like a tracker. Get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him lacking, run the drill. Running through the shit like a motherfucking dage.
Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another episode. Today we are down at Rayleigh Racetrack for the first time ever, and this place is sick, hey? Like, if you guys have never been here, definitely, hopefully you get to make the trip down. It's in Coffs Harbour, and yeah, we're down here. I'm just towing Xavier's car for him. I'm not actually driving. It's got the S13, it's over the back there, and we've got Josh here with his Laurel that's freaking so sick. Basically, this is the Bring the Rukus event held by Team Kamikaze. Hayden and the boys put on a freaking awesome event. Unfortunately, it's pissing down rain, and it's due to rain the whole weekend. It's going to be quite interesting. Liquid horsepower though, Xavier's excited with his little SR. It's going to be able to do some cool skids, and this track looks unbelievable. I'm looking at it right now. So it's actually a go-kart track that they use for drifting cars as well, and the start line's down here somewhere. Come through, big freaking massive bend here and up a hill, huge backies down across here into this little S bend, and then back up this way around the top of the track and back around. It's actually looks freaking unreal. I still haven't been out there yet. We just set up camp, and yeah, looking forward to a day of carnage probably. It's probably going to be a few stacks. I'll do my best to film it without getting all my shit wet. I got the drone here, but don't know if I'll send it. It is raining quite a bit. We've got no reception too, so we're in the middle of nowhere, but super pumped for some more car action, so look forward to it. If you're new here to the channel, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below. See you guys when we jump in a car real soon. We just did the briefing and come back up here. Yeah, she's seriously wet out, but Xavier's got the brains.
Got the roof racks because the pits are so fucked that I'm going to destroy my whole kit, so we're figuring out a way that I can take my bars off and skirts and then drive off the track.
It's really a smart idea.
Yeah. So
he's got the S13 roof racks here, and yeah, you'll see later why he's doing this, because to get on the track is proper cooked. And Xavier's car is on the ground, very, very low. If you haven't seen it before, check it out on the TikTok. But yeah, I'm so excited, eh? I feel like I'm driving, but I'm not, so I might get sad later, but keen to go out with a couple of people and see the track.
Even non-driving, it's it is obviously tricky when you're driving, because all you want to do is drive, but
yeah,
it's still a sick
experience,
track,
yeah, I'm keen as. Got Josh here in his Laurel, just setting up, ready for the wet weather. He's got a shield in here to block his pod filter. All brains, mate, all brains. Things looking unreal. So low. This whole, I forgot to mention as well, this whole event's based on style. So there's pretty much hand-picked who is allowed to drive here based on what your car looks like and your driver skill. So you had to have a fully sick looking, definitely low car, full, kind of Hayden style, to get in, which is the coolest event, I reckon. So hopefully next one, this one's even bigger again, and they keep holding them. So yeah, if you like this, maybe get in the shed and build your car, make it fully sick, and get out here and do some skids, mate. They're just going around now. Full lock, handbrake. Oh, he's going too far. Oh, I was close. That part there is super slippery at the moment. Yeah, fully sick. How pumped are you, dude? How pumped are you?
Oh, I'm fucking real excited. Should be good.
Yeah.
I got zip cars now.
Perfect. All right, sick. Keen as. about to head out with Xavier in his mighty SR20. And yeah, she's looking mint still, so he's getting some photos.
SR20.
SR20. Does look fully sick though. Wait, look at me. Xavier, look at me.
Yeah.
No, look at me.
Oh,
I was gonna do a thumbnail, yeah.
Bit foggy.
It's so much different when you get out here, eh? This is steep as.
Yeah, a bit of elevation.
SR20, baby! If you didn't know, Xavier drives with the coolest style.
Trying to.
Oh, we're in the lineup now. Vibrations.
Jesus. Fuck. God damn it.
Alright. Just drive forward and back a little bit. That seems alright.
It might be seized.
Really?
Yeah, seized.
Holy shit. Xavier's SR just died, I'm pretty sure. Oh, that sucks real bad. So Xavier's dropped his oil out of the SR, and the oil looks pretty good. Looks very good. So that's good.
Someone got their torchlight?
Yeah. I reckon it's mint, dude.
I genuinely, that's fucking...
It's like it's just gone in. You can put
Oh,
spilling it.
forgot about that. Yeah, that's sweet. I mean,
I didn't
it's
see
fucking...
any like blops or anything, or splashes or anything like that.
Yeah, that's cool. Alright, I gotta get it fully up on jack stand. I'm gonna start pulling my box out.
Yeah, sick. Not fun.
It is what it is. I might get you, if possible, James. Is there any chance we can get you to drive all your tools back down here?
Yeah, bring the beam.
Pull my box out. Yeah.
Alright, the box is coming out apparently. Xavier sounds excited. I'm not. Alright, so we're back. It's still raining, and yeah, Xavier is pulling out his gearbox under here.
Oh, howdy.
And he's not having a good time, but still smiling.
Making the most of it, eh? Like, fuck, it is what it is.
Yeah, fully, eh? So we pulled out his sump plug of his engine. We checked the engine oil, that was vent. Pulled out the sump plug of his gearbox. Hang on a second. Yeah, so we pulled out the sump plug on his gearbox, and it was like full of chunks of metal, like big chunks of metal. So, there's a lot of screamer pipes going on here. So yeah, gathered that gearbox is probably pretty severely damaged. is going to try and get a new one and fix it because we're only on the Saturday, and hopefully tomorrow it's forecast to rain less tomorrow, so if we can make it to tomorrow, it'll be all worth it, eh?
Yeah, hopefully, we'll see.
Yeah, see if we can get a gearbox.
Yeah, I have a spare one at home. I joked about bringing it, should have fucking brought it.
Damn it. But yeah, I'll keep you updated. She's bloody wet, mate. Here's Benny and his Laurel coming in. Sounds unbelievable. Sick, mate. Yeah, sick, mate. Sounds so good. Yeah. Especially with this one. Very rowdy. Alright, so it looks like some good news. Xavier's pulled the box out and he can turn the engine by hand freely. Freely-ish. It's like freer than stuck, so that's good. Now he's just going to start it up and hopefully the engine is 100% and it's just an issue with the gearbox. Looks to be that way, so let's just confirm. And yeah, fingers crossed.
I'm gonna just get the wiring because like it's all tough. It like sits on the top of the bell housing. Just make sure it doesn't hit the flywheel. Get it started.
Good thinking.
It'd be a bit awkward if we rip all the wiring out.
Just cause more issues. That would not be good. All right, so fingers crossed. Engine starts and runs. It didn't stall though, which is a bit funny. But yeah, fingers crossed. So, in Xavier fashion, he's lost his keys.
Oh, I have a tracker on them. Yeah. Yeah.
We're gonna break down out on track.
Yeah.
What was that? The starter motor?
Got a starter motor connected to it.
Yeah, it would have just been spinning. Oh yeah, you can't start it.
Oh, it turns over. I'm gonna turn it a couple times myself.
Yeah. So silly us, starter motor disconnected. You can't start
That's how cars work. They have a starter motor.
Yeah, with the bell housing attached.
Yeah, lol. I tried to start the car, but the starter motor's not connected to the car.
Have you opened up a box before? We did just the other night. Literally the other night.
I didn't myself, but...
That's definitely better than before.
Oh yeah, that's sweet. Fuck, it's got heat compression, eh? Yes.
Awesome.
Yes,
SR, lives on. This thing, mate, is so powerful, it just blows gearboxes, eh?
Apparently. I think it's just the retard driver being like, first, fifth, third, drag.
I don't know. Maybe it's like something to do with how weak the gearbox is.
Could be.
They're just weak.
Our shit gearbox.
Yeah. You've done well to get this far in it. I reckon.
Yeah. It's not to be the sad. Well,
I just want him to buy an RB25 gearbox and put it in so he doesn't have to worry about changing gearbox. He's always fixing his gearbox problems. But now for the freaking hunt for a new gearbox in the middle of nowhere with no reception. So fingers crossed for that one. See how that goes.
Can we open that up? Yeah, Doug.
There she goes. There she goes. What do we got?
Right, can I have the shifter, please?
That one's a bit
Oh,
chunky.
fuck, so much metal, bro.
Yeah, there's a lot of metal in there.
So,
Shifter.
why are they such a cunt?
try and spin it first, maybe. It's just like because there's such a big lip on it, eh?
Yeah.
I wonder if you can just smoothen that lip.
It's because it's missing gears as well.
It's up there.
That's hectic, eh?
So cool, eh?
Yeah.
Well, not cool that it's broken, but
Cool how it works.
cool how it works, yeah.
Yeah. Alright.
Grinder out?
Yeah, legit, like,
Are they hard or soft?
the gears.
Yeah.
Yeah, hard as fuck.
Hard as fuck, yeah.
Yeah.
Cutting blade and just snip them off.
Nah, fuck that, it'll be ankle grind. I'm just trying to see whether or not I grind it. Well, it's fucked on the main and secondary shaft, so I guess it doesn't really matter which one I grind it off. Because if they're all grinded off on one, then it's going to be, I guess here will be easier because that's
Away from everything.
yeah, it's away from the synchro. I don't want to fuck the synchro. Because if I can get a new like new third gears, then you can rebuild this box.
Yeah.
Don't know how the fuck to do that, but can do.
Hectic. Alright, you found a problem?
Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
So you wouldn't believe it. Xavier's managed to get his car going. So he's got the gearbox back in there and he's got first, second, no third gear because he's grinded the gears down flat so that it just misses, it's like a neutral, and he's got fourth, fifth and reverse. So yeah, what a beast, eh? Absolute freaking weapon. And yeah, we got the gearbox back in last night, everything's back together, just got to put the gear stick in. He's got minimal gearbox fluid, so we were trying to like get the most back in there through the top because we don't have a pump. It was definitely some MacGyver Diva shit going on last night to try and get this shit going with bare minimal tools, bare minimal everything. But made it happen. It's freaking cool. That's what it's all about, hey, just getting back out there, making it work. And yeah, he's gonna do some skids today, so that will be on part 2 of this weekend. The sun has come out today, which is absolutely a miracle. It's been hissing down rain and super windy all night, but we have blue skies and the sun is just behind those clouds there, and so the track is hopefully going to dry out and we're back on for some more skids today. So yeah, if you want to see all exactly what happened with Xavier's car, hit up his TikTok. I don't know the link, but I'm sure if you go on TikTok it will just show you because that's the way it works apparently. But yeah, thanks heaps for watching, guys. Like the video, drop a comment below and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Bring the Rukus event has been wild. Definitely give Hayden a follow, Kamikaze on Instagram. And yeah, it's freezing, so I'm gonna go back up and get some shelter. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. See you on part 2. Let's go.